back to the channel, everybody. Today we will be working on the CRV. Alright, first things first, we're going to hit this with some PB Blaster. What we're taking out is 3 of these bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then those 2, let me autofocus, those 2 right there. 1 and 2. For here, go ahead and grab your O2 socket to get the O2 out of the cat first. Now the reason why I'm changing out my cat is because check engine light code popped up, P0420. After researching online and reading up on a couple forums, everybody suggested that the cat needed to be replaced because it's no longer functioning how it should. Another thing I do want to add is that ever since I've done this cat swap, I have not had the check engine light come back on, and I've driven the car for about 2,000 plus miles. So if you guys are in the market for a cheaper alternative than the OEM cat, I do highly recommend this one. I bought it off of eBay. It's an aftermarket cat for a direct fit for the CRV from 97 to 2001. The overall price was $75, something that is fairly cheap. It won't break the bank, and it works. Alright, for those wondering, this is an aftermarket cat for the CRV. It has 2 bungs for the O2, so whichever one you're not using, go ahead and just tighten them down. For instance, this one I'm not using, so we're going to tighten this one down and take this one out, because this is where the O2 will be going into. Alright, just want to give you guys a look at the complete installation on the vehicle. O2 sensor is already back in right there, as you can see. Well, that pretty much sums it up for today's video. Hope you guys can use it to reference off of just when you're going to change out your cat on your vehicle. Different cars may be different, but it should be similar in the overall aspect. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, y'all be safe. Out.